Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Super Swing Trader. I am a supply and demand trader using price action to trade stocks and forex. With that being said, let's take a look at the overall US markets. As always, we will be taking a look at the S&P 500. This is what most TV shows about the financial markets, Yahoo Finance, CNBC Finance, this is all what they are referring to as the overall stock market. Sure, there's the Dow, the top 30 industrial companies, there's the NASDAQ, there's the small caps, and then there's the S&P 500. So as we were talking about last week, we have a very strong level of demand right here. And price is just rallying, and since today is Sunday, price closed, well, this is the monthly chart, so look at the weekly closed bullish. It cannot close above this recent high, so anything can happen, but it is bullish. We are bullish on this, in the process of forming a bullish pin bar. So we will see what happens, but we are long bias on this one. If price wants to get, we're long bias on, this is too expensive, too high. If you want to go aggressive, probably down here would be a better buy. If you want go long here, you're at all-time highs. Why would you want to buy at all-time highs right up here? So the daily, we had, last week we mentioned that this zone was a good zone to watch out for. If it bounces on here, it could go up higher, but if it breaks, then we want to go down here to this zone right here. So obviously it bounced off of this and then close right at that previous high. So to me, this is saying that it's bullish, but if it wants to retrace again, this zone has been used up already to test. So if it wants to drop down, it's going to drop all the way down here. So we will see what happens with the markets next week. But right now we're bullish. And yesterday I released a video about Carnival Cruise Lines. So since the overall market is bullish, Carnival Cruise Lines have a lot of potential room for profit. So definitely, if you haven't seen that video, check that video out. Now let's move on to the Dow, the diamonds, and see. So the diamond, same story, but it closed even more bullish than the S&P 500. This one is a full open high low candle, and this made this strong zone, or not strong, but it's a valid zone, and so it made this zone to potentially go long, very aggressive, but bullish nevertheless. Look at the Qs, or the NASDAQ composite. So NASDAQ, we have a strong supply right here. We see that the monthly has bearish pin bar and then a bullish, so it doesn't know what it wants to do. So last month it formed this, so we're thinking that price is going to drop. We're expecting price to drop down here and go long right here. This is, so we're still very bullish on this. Next area to go long is down here. So the weekly chart forms supply zone. Expect a bigger drop, just because the NASDAQ has been going up for so long. Okay, and then as we see, there's a supply zone here. There's potentially another supply zone right here. So hopefully this one drops and we can get very good discounts on very big name stocks. Big name tech companies. So where we're looking to go long is down here. And that has not happened yet, but judging from the other time frames, we have a supply here, another supply here, and prices dropping. So hopefully it forms a bearish candle and it drops down here where we can look to go long. Just remember, I'm not your financial advisor, so make your own trading decisions and do your own research. All right, so this is it for the overall US market. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on that bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. I make daily swing trading videos on stocks and forex using supply and demand. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build a life you love. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.